Are you looking for a quick and easy way to minimize all windows at once in your Windows computer? Then you've come to the right video, as we will show you exactly how to do that. Now for the first method, you can use some keyboard shortcuts. All you have to do is, with the open windows on your computer, press the Windows key and the letter D all together to quickly hide all open windows and show the desktop. But if that did not work, use the Windows key and the letter M keyboard shortcut instead. Another way is to click the desktop option. Now this button is a thin vertical strip on the far right edge of the taskbar. Now this is a thin and has the same color as the rest of the taskbar, but shaded differently. But if you're using Windows 10 and older, you can also right-click on the taskbar, then select Show Desktop, and this will also hide all of your windows at once. Now those are quick and easy way to minimize all windows at once in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.